Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So we're going to be doing our monthly BoxyCharm review. I got my PR versus paid, so if you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Out for you guys. So what is BoxyCharm? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. You get 5 full-size items for the price of $27.99. Average of each box is about $160 to $175 for just $27.99. With the base box every month, you can upgrade to premium or luxe once subscribed. I have my own code. I will put everything in my link below if you guys are interested. There's no pressure to go ahead and sign up. I just hope you guys enjoy the boxes as much as I do. I like these boxes because you get to try all these products for 27 bucks. Sometimes one product alone will cost twice the amount. Well, anyways, let me stop rambling. Let's look at the PR box. I'll put the paid box right here. And we're going to see which box is the best. I haven't seen any spoilers yet, so I haven't been watching to see who bought what yet. Okay, so this box is called Super Bloom. I like the pretty purple card on it, and it has all the items on it here. So the first item is by Skin Inc. Serum Glow Filter. So which one is that? That's this item right here. Let's turn this light down a little bit so we're not so washed out. There we go. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup serum glow filter. Blending beauty technology is one in the bottle. Oh wow, look at that. That is pretty. Oh, and it looks like a... So it has rare gold hibiscus extract, Skin Inc.'s top 2 best-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, gives you a selfie filter in real life. Cool. This is nice. This retails for $50. Nothing's coming out right now. We'll test that later to see what the heck is going on with it. Okay, the next item is from Farmacy, Honeymoon Glow Body AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin. Okay. So anything from Farmacy products is really good. There's a little thing on it, so I'm not going to open it all the way. It's another skincare item. So it's 2 skincare items. And this retails for $40. So let's put that in the calculator. So far we're at $90 for 2 items. Already you're getting more than your base price. Okay, the next item is from Ciate London. It's a Dewy Blush. Okay, I think it's this item here. Okay, so it's in a tube form. I wonder if I can squeeze it out and show you. Okay, I don't think I've... So it's more of a liquid type of blush. Here it is here. Oh, it has a nice smell to it. There's no color on it though. I don't see a color on it. How is this a Dewy Blush? Dewy Blush is the next gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. I don't know if I like this. Because I like blush. Look, I'm dark skinned, so I like the chalky blush. I don't know if I'll use this. If anything, I might use it on my lips. And this retails for $22. Sheer tint blush. It smells good. But I'd rather use this as a lip gloss than a blush. Not really happy about that one. The next item is from Cosmetic Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. I think that's this here. Let's see what color it is. Okay, it's not too bad. It's like a pink color. I do like liquid lipstick, so Unlike any other lip color you have ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup. Creamy, lightweight, long lasting. Oh, it's like a hot pink. And this also retails for $22. That's a pretty color. It's not really colors I wear, but it's okay. And then the last item is Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look. This retails for $18. Okay, I could always use another eyeshadow base. That's it here. This is full size. I wonder if these are really full size anymore. Who knows? Because this is the full size of this. And let's just say this is my P. Louise one. So look at the difference. So the average price of this box is $152. I really do like the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. Anything for my body is really, I'm really all for that. This I'm excited to use. So that's 2 out of, maybe the eyeshadow primer, 3 out of 5 products that I think I would really like and I would use. Oh, I also got this other thing in here. Refreshments Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. I guess this is like a 6th item I got just to join the party, my refreshments. I think also Ipsy has refreshments or something like that. Exclusive offers, product drops, giveaways galore. I really don't know how it works. So I guess it's for like the bathroom routine. Stock your bathroom, add products to your recurring order. So 1 to every 3 months. I don't need to do this, but this is really nice that they did send me this. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, so it has different shavers and like 2 shaver heads and 1 razor. That's cool. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for that. So I got 6 items in this box this time. Usually I only get 5. Okay, so that's the PR box. Let's look at the paid box. And that box retails for $152, like I said before. So this is my paid box. I see another item that's already a duplicate. That sucks when there are 2 items that are duplicates. That sucks. I don't know now. Now I'm just kind of a little disappointed. So the 2 items that are the duplicates, I'm going to go ahead and get those out of the way. So I got another Skin Ink serum. And we got the velvety lipstick. So that is 50 plus 22. Let's make sure it's the same color. I'm sure it is, but yep, it's the same pinky color. The next item is by Kat Bakuri, Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This cult favorite Vitamin C intensive face cream is developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexion and to protect skin from environmental toxins. It's a huge box. This retails for $116. Wow. It better like be superfood for your face. So that is another, so 2 skincare products so far. It smells like vitamin C for sure. You can smell the vitamin. You could smell like a little bit of orange hint in it. Anti-aging powerhouse. Ooh, I will use this on my face because we need to make sure our skin and our face, we need to preserve it forever. For $115, yeah. I'll give that one a go. The next item is by Addison Rae Air Hug Tight Concealer. This is the item I chose. I always think I always need more concealers and stuff like that. And this retails for $18. Okay, so look, it's really big. That's what she said. It's always hard to like trying to pick out your color whenever you're shopping online for your concealer. Okay, this color actually looks really good. This is in the color shade 340. It looks really good against my skin tone. I do like it a lot. So this is another plus. So 2 out of 5 so far. And the last item, come on, a beauty sponge, really? Plus another 18. Yes, skin to skin beauty sponge. Just a beauty sponge for $18. So the average price of this box is $224. Oh, in my opinion, both boxes are pretty much the same. Only because I got 2 items that I got in the other box. That is kind of a waste. I don't know if I'm going to continue BoxyCharm for the paid box anymore. I think I'll just let my 6 months go, and then I don't know, I'll see if it gets any better or not. Sucks, 2 items, I already got these 2. Oh well, I can't complain because one is PR and then one is paid. But thank you again, BoxyCharm, for gifting me my paid box. I am very happy that you guys are letting me be a part of the PR team. I will continue to review the products for you guys as long as you keep on sending them to me. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Good night, everybody. Bye.